Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Saroj Digital Learning. Children, today we are going to see lesson number 2, that is work and energy. Work. Work means, in short, there must be a displacement. When we call that work is done, there must be a displacement. There must be change in the place. There must be change in the place. Here in the pictures, you can see that girl is writing, boy is playing with the ball, and so on. These are the examples of work done. As we see some displacement in all the activity. From scientific point of view, the work is not done. From scientific point of view, the work is not done if the displacement is zero. If the displacement is zero, as you know, the definition of displacement is shortest distance covered by a body. Shortest distance covered by a body is known as a displacement. But in science, physics, we say that work is not done if the displacement is zero. Example, if you are having a notebook in your hand for, say, suppose 1 hour or 1 day, and you are not writing a single alphabet, you just have a notebook in the hand for many hours, that means only sitting at one place is not a work done. Because here in this example, displacement is zero. You are not writing, so that means displacement is zero. So if the displacement is zero, we call it as a work is not done. In physics, we deal with physical work. In physics branch of science, we deal with physical work, that is running, walking, writing, etc. Now see here, definition. Work is said to be done when a force applied on an object. Work is said to be done when a force should be applied on an object, causes displacement, and there must be displacement. If the force is applied on the object, see here, the boy is applying a force on the ball and there is a displacement in the ball, so that is the work done. See here again, work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. You already learned about the work done by a force acting on an object is the product means multiplication of the magnitude means sign and size and speed of the object of the force, and the displacement of the object in the direction of the force. Thus, the meaning of this whole sentence is what in short, work is equals to force into displacement. When we can say work is done, when force is applied and we see the displacement. So the formula for work is force into displacement. Keep in the mind, formula for work is force, small f is the symbol for force, into displacement, and we usually use small s for the displacement, that is f into s. Work is equals to small f into small s. Okay, thank you students.